What is context? We learn these elements of communication in grade 12. There are 11 elements. We learn 11 elements in grade 12. What is context? 2 means content. No, that's wrong. 3. 3 is also wrong. Context means number 1, the environment in which the relevant communication takes place. I send these WhatsApp notes. You have written them on your book. Can you see the screen now? My WhatsApp screen. Question number 282. That means I have sent 282 questions to the WhatsApp group. Now we will discuss that. Give a comparative study of the nature of the language in a news in the front page of a newspaper and in a feature article. Newspaper has three kinds of articles: news articles, feature articles, advertisements. That's all. Newspaper has three parts: news articles, feature articles, advertisements. Now this question asks about differences between news articles and feature articles. Feature articles means columns, editorial, other essays, short stories, novel. You can publish a novel, uh, parts of a novel you can publish on a newspaper, poems. So all those things belong to feature articles, right? Except news and advertisement, everything is feature article. The newspaper plays the main role of the print media. Newspaper language consists of text and image. Newspaper language has only text and image. Here, text is written language. Such text can be found in news, features, and advertisements. Creative language usage varies according to each of these factors. News writing uses a language that consists of simple direct sentences. In exceptional cases, it can be seen that it is written in a manner similar to the language style of a literary work. Usually, you write the language news in a direct language, right? Not very simple language. You have to write news in a very simple language. But sometimes you can use the literary language also for the news. For example, a funeral of a very special person, it could be mentioned directly or in an essay-like manner. Having entertained the theater for decades and having captured the hearts of the audience, like that you can write. Now imagine that a, a, a stage drama actor passes away, right? So you can write that news, you can just write that news that this person passes away, or you can write that as the literary way, having entertained the theater for decades and having captured the hearts of the audience. In the news, especially in the headlines, space is provided more for the creative use of the language, right? News, usually you have to write in a simple language, reported speech, right? But uh, sometimes you can write news headlines as essays. Here's an example: once near death, now closer to God, right? That means a famous person, uh, was going to die, but now, he's okay, right? For an example, we will say that Donald Trump got corona, right? So he was going to die, but now he's okay, right? So that is a direct language. You can say the same thing indirectly like this: once near to death, now closer to God. Grumpy, they ask a question. If you visit Disney, use sanitizer. So this headline is like a poem. Sneezy, grumpy. If you visit Disney, use sanitizer. So Disney World gives you a news, gives a news to the newspaper, publish this news, right? Tell them to use sanitizer and other health guidelines. If you visit Disney, right? So you can publish that news direct language or like this, right? Sneezy, grumpy. If you visit Disney, use sanitizer. Newspaper language consists of text and image. You can find such text in news, features, and advertisement. Newspaper features are feature articles, uh, column articles, editorials, short stories, comic stories. You know, this Batman and all these were published as comic stories, like reviews, interviews, reader comments, photos, movies, movie reviews, etc. Anything without a news report or an advertisement is a feature. The newspaper's ideology is presented in an editorial. Editorial is non-editor's comment or editorial phrase. So what are the similar words for editorial? Editor's comment or editorial phrase. When writing a feature article, the topic can be used to get the attention of the readers. People shed tears as a result of superhighway. Government builds a highway from Kalam's area. So the authorities, they break down Kalam's house, right? And they don't pay enough compensation. So all the people in his area face that problem, right? So you can give this news to the newspaper in that way. People shed tears as a result of superhighway. This is not a direct language. This is literary language. You can use the literary language for newspaper headlines. Usually you must use simple language on a news, but you can use literary language also for newspaper headlines. When writing a column, importance is given to the writer's language ability as well as the model he uses. For example, the column could be a letter or poem or a detailed report, right? So a column can be a letter, a poem, or a detailed report. Okay. I send this some YouTube videos also to you. I hope you watch them, right? Some of my videos also from Unit 4. Explain 7 new media features, page 17, 16, and 17. Identify social media. Explain social media variety of and functionality. Sometimes they may ask a question, what are the creative programs on radio? I send that question to you. What are the creative programs of radio? Right? Then the answer should be like this: radio discussion, radio news, radio magazines, radio drama are the creative programs of radio.
Radio debate.
Chart show means this 20 songs, 10 songs, right? Chart show. Can you see my screen, South? You can see. Radio discussion or talk radio. Another word for radio discussion is talk radio. Talk radio is a radio format containing discussion about topical issues and consisting entirely or almost entirely of original spoken word content rather than outside music. Most shows are regularly hosted by a single individual. This radio discussion or talk radio program is held by single individual and often feature interviews with a number of different guests. Right? You listen to some radio programs. Today you listen to some radio programs and try to understand what this thing is. Right? Uh, there's an announcer on the radio, usually one girl and one boy, right? Sometimes one boy, or sometimes one girl, or sometimes two girls, sometimes two boys. They do the announcing thing, right? And uh, they invite a guest. They invite someone to their talk show every day, right? Radio discussion or talk radio. Most shows are regularly hosted by a single individual and often features interviews with a number of different guests. Talk radio typically includes an element of listener participation. Sometimes they let the listener also join. Listeners, you can call my radio program, right? Usually by broadcasting live conversation between the host and the listeners who call in. You can call in usually via telephone to the show. Nowadays, you can send some Facebook messages also to the radio show, right? Usually you call in, right, to the radio show live programs. Listener contributions are usually screened by show's producers in order to maximize audience interest and, in the case of commercial talk radio, to attract advertisers, right? Listener contributions are usually screened by a show's producers in order to maximize audience. That means sometimes they collect these data. Who called today? How many listeners called today? How many listeners are listening? They can find these things, right? And send them to advertisers, right? If you take this Isira FM, there's a channel called Isira FM. You have you heard that name?
Today only I am hearing, sir.
Yeah, that means that channel is not that much popular, right? Hiru FM popular, Sirius FM popular, right? So those channels are not popular. So if you advertise on Hiru FM or Sirius FM, you have to pay a lot of money. If you advertise on those channels which are not popular, you don't have to pay that much of money, right? So paying money for advertisements is decided according to its popularity. This popularity is checked by some private organizations. You may have this Slim Nielsen, right? Sometimes they come to your house and ask questions about radio programs. What is the radio program you are listening? What kind of radio programs do you listen? What is your favorite radio channel? So they do researches. They ask questions from you and they give this information to radio channels and advertisers, right? Then advertisers decide on what radio channel should we publish our advertisements, should we broadcast our advertisements, right? uh, Newspaper also same, right? If you take Sunday Lankadeepa and Sunday Silumina newspapers, Sunday Lankadeepa you have to pay 1,500 for 15 words in an advertisement, classified advertisement. Sunday Silumina you have to pay about 1,300 for 15 words. Why do Silumina charge less amount than Lankadeepa? Kalam?
To promote their newspaper.
Yeah, that's also correct. But because they have less readers, right? If 40 lakhs people read Sunday Lankadeepa, about 30 lakhs people read Silumina, right? They have less receivers, they have less readers. Therefore, they can't charge a high amount of money, right? So the amount of money charged for the advertisement is decided according to how many newspapers were sold. Radio also same, right? Okay. Generally, the shows are organized into segments, each separated by a pause for advertisements. However, in public or non-commercial radio, music is sometimes played in place of commercials to separate the program segment. If you take this Sirius TV, that is a commercial channel, right? So when they hold a discussion or a talk show, right? It has about 2 minutes, 2 hours. I heard this. Sirasa TV has a program called Dahasakmal, right? They are the what do they do? There are two announcers, one man and one woman. They broadcast 20 songs, right? So viewers can call them and tell them what is their favorite song, right? So within those 2 hours, they that 2 hour is divided into segments: first part, second part, etc. After the first part, we have to listen to advertisements. After the second part also, we have to listen to the advertisements, right? That is the nature of a commercial radio. But there are some non-commercial radios also, right? Rajarata Sevaya. That Rajarata Sevaya is broadcast in Anuradhapura and Polonnaru area. Ruhunu Sevaya. Ruhunu Sevaya is broadcast in southern province. Kotmale Sevaya, Kotmale service. Kotmale service is broadcast in Kotmale area, right? Like that, SLBC, Sri Lanka Broadcasting Corporation, has several services for several regional radios. You call that regional radios, right? So people in the specific regions can listen to those regional radios. These are done for the betterment of the people, for the advantage of the people. Usually, Rajarata Sevaya may speak about uh, farming and all, right? Because there are a lot of farmers in Rajarata area. In Ruhunu area, there are a lot of fishermen. Matara, Gol, that area, there are a lot of fishermen. So they broadcast programs about fishing, a lot of programs about fishing. Like that, those regional radio services are there to broadcast development messages. We will learn that in development communication lesson, right? They use that radio channels for development messages, right? So those are non-commercial radios. They have commercial purposes, but sometimes some radio channels don't have commercial purposes. In the interval, they broadcast songs. They don't have advertisements, right? 2 hour program, they have a discussion. In between segments, they broadcast songs, not advertisements, because they are non-commercial radio services. Okay, next paragraph. Radio news. Next program is radio news. News broadcasting is the medium of broadcasting of various news events and other information via television, radio, or internet in the field of broadcast journalism. Right? That is called broadcast journalism. If you show news on television or internet, if you broadcast news on radio, that is called broadcast journalism. The content is usually either produced locally in a radio studio or television studio newsroom or by a broadcast network. It may also include additional material such as sports coverage, weather forecast, traffic reports, commentary, and other material that the broadcaster feels is relevant to their audience. You just listen to this Sirasa News or Hiru News, right? And check what kind of programs they have, weather forecast and all, right? Radio magazines. Next program is radio magazines. Radio magazines can be broadly classified into two types: the general and the specialized, right? General radio magazines, specialized radio magazines. A general magazine includes subjects from different areas of human activity. A general magazine includes subjects from different areas of human activity. A specialized magazine, however, is devoted entirely to one subject. Example: culture, literature, news, sports. There are some magazine programs. There you can see only news, right? News magazines. or only sports magazines or culture magazines, right? That is called a specialized magazine program. Sometimes general magazine means it discuss everything, right? Magazine, however, is the right business, music, science, health, etc. So today we discussed three radio programs. Number one, radio discussion. Number two, radio news. Number three, radio magazine. Name four benefits of using Facebook for public relations and explain one of them. Right? Listen carefully. Ability to get, how can you use Facebook for public relations? Number one, ability to get instant feedback. Number two, connecting quickly. Number three, media convergence. Number four, communicating information to a large number of people. Number five, ability to build new contacts. Number six, ability to distribute information from one person to many. Number seven, ability to give information about products. Number eight, ability to enhance political images. Number nine, low cost. Number 10, being able to overcome the boundaries between time and space. So I told you 10 benefits of Facebook for public relations. Now we will discuss that. Number three, we will discuss number three, media convergence. Listen carefully. Media convergence is the blending of multiple media forms into one platform for purposes of delivering a dynamic experience. You can share newspaper pages, pages from books, YouTube videos, radio programs, etc. on Facebook. If you are a public relations officer of a politician or an organization, you can keep a good public relation using feedback. So the question mentions name four benefits and explain one of them. The question is over. I will send that photo to you. Next question. Proverbs reflect indigenous knowledge and wisdom. Explain the communication significance of proverbs with three facts. Right? Proverbs belong to folklore. South, repeat after I say it. Proverbs belong to folklore. Say it.
Proverbs belong to folklore.
Yeah. So, right. For what after what tales belong to folklore?
Fairy tales, myths, idioms.
Idioms, yes. Kalam, folklore.
Proverbs.
Why the main things? Folk tales.
Folk
What
poems.
else?
Radio,
Folk rituals.
poem,
Folk
Yes.
dramas.
Those
Bali
are-
and Togel,
Okay. Now we are discussing about four proverbs. I sent you a note. I gave you all the PDF for this syllabus. In that syllabus, they don't mention about proverbs, but they ask questions. That's the nature, right? In 2019, they are number one, ability to express ideas creatively. You can express your ideas creatively through proverbs. Number two, activation of wisdom. Knowledge is one thing, wisdom is another thing. You get wisdom through proverbs. Number three, summarizing a broad idea. Number four, ability to present ideas in an interesting way.